like to explain about the Excel. First, I would like to explain about the menu bar or Robin, which is home, insert, draw, up to help, acrobat. This is known as menu bar. I would like to explain about the home tab. First, in home tab, all different kinds, all different formatting option is available. Then formatting options are different kind, are many types, like create a border, font setting, font color, merge to cell, and make a single cell, which is exactly in which I'm writing. Like I merge different couple of cells in a single one. Then background color change, add decimal, and remove decimal. Then change number, formatting, create a new table, then insert rows and column, insert sheet, filtering the data. Everything are the options of the everything. These are the options in the home tech, which is extremely useful.